This will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fans Edition versus the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now the Fan Edition has the Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, 6 gigs of RAM on Android 10 and its latest version of One UI interface. iPhone 11 Pro Max has the A13 Bionic chip, 4 gigs of RAM, and on its latest version of iOS 14. So let's go ahead and turn on both phones at the same time here, see which one has the faster boot up, and let's go. Samsung Galaxy S20 FE versus iPhone 11 Pro Max speed test. Which one will have the faster boot up? Let's find out. Ooh, looks like the iPhone. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna give the win to the iPhone on the boot up. And we are in! All right, man, let's get right into it. I'm gonna swipe over here. These are the apps I'm gonna be using for this speed test. I'm gonna go like this on the iPhone. And everything's been cleared out in the background. I'm gonna do this on the Fan Edition. No recently used apps. All apps, caches, the browsers have been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close. I think that was the iPhone, but let me know in the comments, messages. Give that to the FE, the camera. Let's go ahead and pick up both phones so you can see the viewfinder. We'll do it like this. Faster on the iPhone. Let's fire up the clock right now. Very close. Start this up. Leave that running in the background. We do have the calculator on both phones. Very close. App Store, Play Store. A little bit faster on the Fan Edition. All right, let's go ahead and click on, I'm gonna click on that. Let's go ahead and click on a random app. And then should we install TikTok right now? I thought this was banned in the United States. I don't know. We can just leave it there. And then we do have Amazon. Faster on the Fan Edition. We'll click on the deal of the day. We'll leave it right there, eBay. Faster on the S20 again. Let's go ahead and click on this item. We'll click on this again. Leave it there. We do have Mario Run on both phones. Loading first on the FE. Will the iPhone catch up? Nope. We'll give the win to the S20 FE. Tap to begin. iPhone's faster on the second step. Temple Run 2. Enchanted Palace. Ooh. We'll give the win to the S20 on this. Tap to play. This one. Ooh, S20 super fast. Oh, give the win to the FE. Tap to play. And then we do have Angry Birds 2. Love how that's black on the iPhone, that's nice. Starting up and logging in on both. Which one's out in front? Oh, FE's ahead. Oh, we'll give the win to the Samsung Knight on this. Next up is Asphalt 9. Oh, I think the iPhone out in front maybe? Will the Fan Edition catch it? What will happen right now? Oh, we'll give the win to the S20 FE. Tap play on it. Then let's go ahead and go back to the home page. And the iPhone's taking a while. Okay. Come on, iPhone. We don't have all video here to wait for you. Well, we have to move forward. So minimize that, and then PUBG. Ooh, looks like the FE's out in front. Oh, the S20's way out in front. Will it win? Oh, and we'll give the win to the S20 Fan Edition. Wow. Usually in past tests, iPhone always wins the PUBG, but Android's catching up, for sure. There we go. Go ahead and minimize this. We do have Twitter. Very close, I think that was the iPhone. Instagram. S20 FE. Snapchat. S20 FE on that. And then we do have Samsung Internet and Safari on both phones. All right, let's go ahead and do a search for good old GSM Arena. It's my go-to for this. And then we'll click on the suggestion here. Go. Okay, looks like the S20 a little bit quicker. This ad came up first. Let's go ahead and pinch to zoom here. Not bad on the iPhone, however you do it on the Fan Edition with its fast 120 Hertz display. It's so good. I mean, that is just butter right there. Woo! We'll click on this one. A little bit faster on the iPhone on this web page. We'll do that again. And then do the same thing here. Okay, a little bit of a stutter here. Interesting. Not as smooth as the previous web page. All right, that's quite interesting. We'll scroll, give you an idea. Nice and fast on the S20 here. Let's go ahead and click on the, we'll get rid of this ad if I can. Get rid of this ad and get rid of this ad. So we can click on the desktop version right there. Go ahead and click on this. Go. See what happens. Looks like the iPhone's out in front a little bit on that one. We'll scroll. Oh wow, yeah. The 120 Hertz on the FE. Woo! So nice. It's a lot of images here, so we'll pinch to zoom. And the iPhone's struggling a little bit with that. Look at that. Whereas the S20, nice and smooth. I'd have to say a little bit better on the S20. Yeah, the iPhone's all over the place. Anyway, let's go ahead and check out the RAM management on both phones. Everything's in the background so you can see. Man, even the scrolling from left to right here. I mean, it's not bad on the iPhone, it's smooth, right? It's an iPhone. But with the 120 Hertz of the S20 series, man, that is just so good. Whew! I can do this all day, just how smooth that is. Anyway, let's go ahead and we'll click on the Snapchat, run through these apps again, and we'll have a look. Look for any stutters, any delays. Looking good so far. PUBG's good to go. This one. There we go. Finally, the iPhone loaded the game. Angry Birds 2. All right, a little bit faster on the iPhone on that one. And then Subway Surf. Ready to resume on both. 3, 2, 1, and you can continue playing. Very nice. And then Temple Run 2. Same thing. Ready to resume. And you continue playing. Not bad on both. Mario Run. Oh! Both reloaded this. Quite interesting. Even the 11 Pro Max reloaded this. Huh. Alright, eBay. A little bit faster on the iPhone on that one. Amazon. And iPhone reloaded this. So you can see this is the home page of Amazon, I think, right? Whereas this one, it's on that page. Huh. Alright, so that's 2 reloads on the iPhone. And then we do have the Play Store App Store. And I'm not sure, yeah, I think the iPhone also again reloaded this because it was on the TikTok app when I left. And this one kept it right on this page right here, the Call of Duty Mobile. So, 3 reloads on the iPhone. Wow, quite interesting. Calculator is good to go. Clock, still running the stopwatch on both. Camera, there you have it. Messages, there we go. And then finally, the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. My fellow Samsung Knights, are you rocking the S20 Fan Edition? If so, let me know what you think about this phone in the comments down below. For 600 bucks, you're getting most of the features from the standard S20. You're not really giving up a lot. You get a plastic back, older Gorilla Glass 3, the 1080 display, the 120 Hz, the same Snapdragon 865 Plus. If you're looking to save a little bit of cash and get most of the features, look into the S20 FE. Or are you an Apple iSheep rocking your iPhone 11 Pro Max? Are you guys looking forward to the upcoming iPhone 12 series of phones? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.